Assalamualaikum my all viewers. I hope you are all well and may Allah keep you well all. So today the recipe I am going to make is machli ka korma or a fish korma in a very simple and easy way from my mother's recipe. So let's make it. First of all, take a deep pan and then add oil in a pan and heat it well. Then add sliced onions and then fry it well for about 5 to 10 minutes on a high flame or until it turns golden brown. And then drain it from oil and then take it out in a plate and then set it aside to cool down. On the other hand, in a grinding jar, add ginger, garlic, whole green chilies, tomato cubes and then add water and then blend it well to make a smooth paste and then keep it aside. Now then in the same pan of oil, then add cloves, green cardamom, cinnamon sticks and a black cardamom and then fry it well for about 3 to 5 minutes or until its aroma is released and then add the prepared blended mixture and then stir it well until the oil separates. Then add red chili powder, salt and a turmeric powder and then mix it well until all the spices are well combined. Now on the other side, put all the fried onions in a grinding jar and then add a cup of a curd and then blend it well to make a smooth paste. Then in the cooked spices till the oil comes out and then add prepared spices in it. Now keep stirring and fry well for about 5 to 7 minutes or until all the oil comes out. When oil comes out properly, now put the fish pieces in it one by one and then keep stirring it with a spoon for about 2 to 3 minutes and then take out the spoon and then rotate the pan round and round and then rotate the pan in circular motion instead of using spoon so that the fish pieces do not break. When it cooks well for about 3 to 5 minutes or until oil separates, then add 2 glasses of water to it and then mix it twice with very light hands and then cover and cook until water boils. When water starts boiling and then cook it well for about 15 to 20 minutes or until fish cooks well. When the oil of the fish comes out properly and then add 3 to 5 drops of kevra water and then mix lightly and then serve in a serving platter. Fish is a very low-fat, high-quality protein. Fish is filled with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins such as D and B2 riboflavin. Fish is rich in calcium and phosphorus and a great source of minerals such as iron, zinc, iodine, magnesium and potassium. They can also help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, boost immunity and regulate blood sugar levels. Overall, fish korma can be a healthy and delicious meal that provides a range of nutrients and potential health benefits. So garnish it with fresh parsley and sprinkle some garam masala powder or a whole spices powder. So serve and enjoy with any rice of your choice. So guys, if you enjoy my recipe and enjoy my videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.